Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to stream on Kick using OBS Studio. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Kick is a popular live streaming platform, and OBS Studio is a versatile software for live streaming. In this beginner guide, we'll walk you through the setup process, including downloading OBS Studio, configuring setting, and connecting it to your Kick account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to start streaming on Kick with OBS Studio. So, let's dive right in. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, before we could start anything, is to create an account in Kick. Creating an account in Kick is very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Aside from creating an account, you're also going to have to install and download OBS Studio by simply searching OBS in Google, and you're going to see this first option over here. You're going to open this, and you will be able to see their homepage, which is this one, and you're simply going to download the OBS Studio that is for your operating system. As you can see here, you have Windows, Mac OS, and Linux over here. You can simply choose what you would need and download it from over here. Right now, I am also using OBS to record our video for today. As you can see here now, back in Kick, we're first going to sign up. Click on sign up over here. You're going to sign up with your email, your birthday, your username, your password, and you're going to have to confirm your password. Or you could sign up with your Google account or your Apple account over here. You can also log in this section if ever you already have an account. Now, what you're going to do next after logging in or signing up, you're going to have to click your profile again. Over here, click on Create Dashboard, and we would be redirected to the dashboard of your content creator section. As you can see here on the left side, we have Creator Dashboard. We have our stream over here, which is what we are seeing right now, our achievement, community, and settings over here. In the stream, as you can see, we have our activity feed over here, our chat, our session over here, if it's offline or online, how many viewers we have, how many followers we have, and time live over here. There's also a sub count and mod actions over here. You could add quick actions in this section over here also. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to click on edit stream info over here, and you're going to have to enter a title for what you would like to stream for. For example, we're going to stream about Grand Theft Auto. You're simply going to type in GTA 5 on your title or Grand Theft Auto. And then for the category, you're going to have to search for the specific game you're going to have. As you can see here, we have Grand Theft Auto Live and Grand Theft Auto RP over here. We're going to go with Grand Theft Auto 5 over here. You can select your language in this section. And you could also enable 18 plus mature audience only, which means that people under 18, if their account is under 18, they won't be able to watch your stream. So after that, we're going to click on save, and now our live stream is now for this section over here. After that, you're going to click on settings over here, and you're going to click on stream key over here. This is going to be very important to connect it with your OBS. Now over here, this is our OBS Studio. Currently, I am recording our screen while doing our tutorial. As you can see here, we have our scenes over here, our sources, our audio mixer, scene transition, and controls over here. What you're going to do to be able to connect your Kick streaming is by clicking on settings over here. By doing this, you will be able to see the settings of your OBS. As you can see, this is our settings right now. I'm going to make this a bit smaller so that we will be able to see properly. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to click on stream over here on the left side. Now over here, you will be able to see the different services available. You have Stream, YouTube, Facebook Live, Restream, and Twitter. Now what you're going to do, because our Kick streaming is not available on the options, you're going to go with custom. And as you can see, you have the server and stream key. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go back here, copy your stream URL, going to paste it in this section. Go back here, copy your stream key. Make sure that your stream key is not shared to anyone because they would be able to access and control your stream without your permission. So we're going to go back here, paste this just like that. And you could also use authentication if you would like to have a more secure. You're going to click on apply, and just like that, our OBS and Kick is now connected. So we're going to go back to our stream over here. We're going to do this later on. Now over here, what you're going to do next is, of course, edit your OBS to fit for your streaming. As you can see, over here on the sources, this is where you're going to select sources. Basically, what OBS is going to capture. If you're going to play a game, you're going to have to click on plus over here. As you can see, these are all the different options that it can record. We have audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, droid cam, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, text, video capture device, and window capture. These are all the different things that OBS can screen record. As you can see here, we have our game capture. This is what you're basically going to use for recording your game in OBS. As you can see here, we could create new. You could name this GTA 5 if you want, like, or for example, just gaming, just like that. And you're going to click on OK. And as you can see here, it will show you modes over here, like capture any full screen application, capture specific window, or capture foreground window with a hotkey. You could enable this, and then you could choose your different windows over here. If your GTA 5 is open, you can simply click on GTA 5 over here. As you can see, I have CapCut open here. I have CapCut over here. So that's what you're going to do. And you can also do your settings over here, like SLI, crossfire, capture mode, allow transparency, limit capture frame rate, capture cursor, use anti-cheat capability hook, and all of these different options. You could also edit your hook rate over here, edit your color space over here. You're going to click on OK, and as you can see, it's going to appear over here. You can also enable and disable this by clicking on the eye open option over here. Now what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you how you could add a dock in your OBS. To add a dock, you're simply going to click on Docks over here, click on Custom Browser Dock, and you're simply going to name it as Kick. And you're going to have to put in your URL over here. We're going to go back to our stream over here. What we're going to do is we're going to type in kick.com / your username for kick.com and then / chatroom. Just select that, click on apply, and we're going to wait. And as you can see, we now have our Kick chatroom over here on our OBS over here. We're simply going to click on apply, and we're going to close this. And as you can see, we have OBS. We have our chat room inside our OBS over here, and then you can move this around depending on where you would like to put this. As you can see here, you can put it and drag it and try to fix where you would like to have this chat head, specific chat box to be in your OBS. Now what you're going to do next is, of course, go to your settings. What you're going to do next after setting those up is you're going to edit your output, your audio, and your video over here. Make sure that all of these options are in the optimal rate. As you can see here, you could edit your settings for streaming, like the video bitrate, audio bitrate, encoder preset, and all of these different options. You could edit your audio over here, which devices are going to capture your audio, which devices are going to produce your audio. For your video over here, you could edit your canvas, all of those stuff. We're going to X this. Now what you're going to do next is you're simply going to click on start streaming, and it will automatically connect to your Kick website. And going back here, we're going to refresh this. Let's see what happens. And as you can see, we are currently live streaming our website over here. As you can see, it is being live. Our session is currently streaming. We have 0 viewers, we have followers, and our time live is 15 to 14 seconds over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.